your question related to the server down, what will we will do when the server is down? So first we can answer like we can ping and check in our URL if we know the IP address, or if we don't know the IP address, we know the URL, then we can type the URL. So if it is not reachable, it will won't work. The ping won't work. So if it is reachable, it will show like this ping hyphen c4, and then let me search with some random URL. So it will show like this. If it is pingable, then we can go for SSH, and then SSH username at the rate then URL. If it is like we are not able to SSH, then we if it that server is from like AWS or Azure or GCP or from our local on-premises, so we can go to the hypervisor or VMware and check the health status or networking status from there. If it is from AWS, we can check the logs, AWS SNS service or AWS health logs of that VM, or networking issues like somebody changed some IP address or somebody blocked some ports, like SSH got removed from AWS console, we can check that. And if it is like we can go to the using telnet command, we can go to that URL using telnet URL at 22. So if we reach to that server, then we can check the space of that VM df hyphen using df hyphen h and free hyphen m. If a space is not there, then we need to clear using we can check the top command or stop command which service is taking more space, and we have to kill that process using kill hyphen 9, and the process ID PID we have to give here. Or if some object is taking too much space, we need to clear that space. And then later on, like we can go for like checking the logs in what happened like last. So using tail hyphen f, and then where log like messages, we can check. Or you can check for like syslog. So we can check for kernel log also, what happened to the last time, like kernel log auth log we can check. So we can check like here auth dot log. We can check for kernel logs also, or we can check the services status like sshd is up or down. So like system ctl status sshd. So we can check from this sshd command also, and then we can do the reboot if everything is good. If we want to like reboot, then we can do the reboot. And if we want to clean up some space, then we can remove some logs also, or whatever the scenario, we can work like that.